Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this episode, I'm actually gonna make a custom wood and steel mallet for a YouTuber named Alec Steele. If you guys don't know who he is, I highly recommend you go check out his channel. He is a blacksmith out of Montana, originally from the UK and moved here about a year ago. And his stuff is just awesome. But in one of his last videos, I noticed he could have used a new wooden mallet.
I'm gonna use a wooden mallet so as not to mar the steel as bad.
So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make him a custom mallet and send it his way. So let's get started. And also, first of all, let's get rid of this sweatshirt and get one on that I can get a little dirty. All right, that's a lot better. Alright guys, so I got the mallet head all blued up and it's looking awesome. So off camera, I went ahead and used my vinyl plotter and made up a custom graphic, and I went ahead and threw it onto the mallet here. And on this side, you can actually see one of my logos, and then on the opposite side here is actually a custom graphic I made of Alec Steele. And if you know who he is and what he looks like, I think this looks pretty darn close. And of course, all over the mallet, I made it look like it's gonna be Damascus steel. So I have my air compressor all charged up, and I'm gonna hook my sandblasting gun up to that and get sandblasting. So as you can see, the mallet head is looking awesome. And it is now the next day, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw the actual wood piece inside the mallet head and get that all squared away, and then also make the handle. And let's get to that point. But first, it is freezing in here and I need to get my heater lit. So I need to find my lighter. Alright guys, I had to switch things up a little bit. As you saw in that last footage, I was actually making my handle out of a piece of hickory, and I just was not liking the way it was fitting up. So I had to switch to a piece of walnut because I'm actually out of hickory now. But that's okay, because I think the walnut looks freaking awesome with the contrasting woods and the metal. And now I just need to cut a piece of wedge to fit in there, and I'm actually going to use a piece of this beautiful Padauk. I think that's going to look amazing. So let's get to cutting that wedge and getting this thing finished up. Everyone, thank you so much for following along. If you enjoyed this build, if you like the content I'm creating, please consider subscribing, and we will ship this off to Alec in the morning, and hopefully he receives it in one piece without any complications. Guys, I appreciate all the support, and we will catch you on the next build.